Hello, friends. I hope that you all are fine. There are some beliefs which exist in the society which have no scientific or logical background, but still we believe them. Yes, you guessed it right. So, today's topic for discussion is about the origin of the superstitious belief and how it exists in our society. So, superstitions have played a unique role in human life right from the beginning of civilizations. Even today, we may find many people who are superstitious about different things. So, how these different superstitions began? Ancient man could not explain various natural phenomena like thunder, lightning, and climatic changes. He knew little about the sun, moon, comets, and meteors. So he formulated his own theories about these phenomena, thus leading to the first kind of superstitious belief. A superstition is usually born out of fear, which is contrary to reason and cannot be provided or proved by experience. For instance, a comet was a mysterious phenomena and was considered unlucky, a sign of imminent plague or war. People also believe that if one looked at the moon for a long time, he would get moonstruck. In fact, the word lunatic has been derived from the Latin word luna, which means moon. Similarly, farmers used to think that a growing moon encouraged the growth of crops. Superstitions were also built up around animals. In Egypt, cats were worshipped as sacred animals. In Europe, it is thought very lucky to have a black cat walk across one's path. In North America, the reverse is true. In India, a black cat crossing your path is considered as a sign of bad luck. The hooting of an owl is a sign of approaching death, and so on. Over the centuries, superstitions about lucky and unlucky numbers also developed. For example, 13 is considered to be an unlucky number throughout the world. And if it is a Friday, then God bless you. Ancient people in Scandinavian countries believed that thunder and lightning were caused when their god Thor threw his hammer at his enemies. Sneezing is considered a bad omen. When someone sneezes, people often say, God bless you. With the advance in science, man has come to understand more about the world around him, but somehow the old beliefs continue to have their hold on people. So, being a science student, we still search for a good time or a good date for any auspicious event that need to be performed, which is a belief and a superstitious as which is a belief and a superstition as well, because we don't know the reason. We feel that yes, if we find a good date or a good time, then whatever work we do at that time, it will be a successful one. So this is a myth and a superstition. We don't know the reason why we do that. Similarly, there are many such other superstitious beliefs which prevail in the society as well as internationally in other places. So there is only little or none who does not believe on them. If you believe in such superstition, do comment it in the comment section below. And if you not, then also tell that why you don't believe. And if you believe, I will suggest you to take your time and just think about it, that why you believe it. And till then, I bid a goodbye, and I will come back with another interesting episode.